Welcome! It's a great day to be a miner. That is, unless you ordered from CalChip and you were trying to get a Helium Hotspot Miner anytime this year. Let's dive into it. Spin that intro. Alright, this pertains to an interesting email I just got today from CalChip. I had ordered a Helium Rak 2 Hotspot Miner from CalChip back in April, mid-April to be exact. I was around in the 27,000 order range. I still haven't got one, obviously, and now we get this note from CalChip. Please note that the action is required upon receipt of this email. Failure to execute the form via the link at the bottom of this email within 30 days will result in an automatic cancellation and refund of your Rak Miner order. On Friday, September 17th, there was an announcement that Rak Wireless will be sending V1.5 hotspot miners to Parsley Labs. As you know, we are waiting for Rak to deliver V2 miners to CalChip Connect and Helium community. We would like to take an opportunity to update you on the situation. With an upstream delays caused in part by the global pandemic, we estimate all Rak V2 orders will now be fulfilled by the end of Q1 2022, and no longer are we in 2021. They are pushing it back further. Based on what we've been told by Rak, we expect to receive 27,000 additional North American units by October 31st. As a diverse distributor of helium compatible miners, we can also offer you access to a variety of other options, including upcoming 5G miners, but only if you select continue to wait for my order and be notified when new miners that can ship within a shorter window of time frame become available when filling out the form. Please note that when these options do become available to your batch, you will also receive opportunity to choose to refund at this time. Every North American customer who responds in the affirmation and currently has a unfulfilled Rak Miner order from CalChip Connect in 2021 will receive an email with these options. This doesn't pertain to the EU customers. In particular, CalChip Connect has procured helium-compatible North American miners from a variety of manufacturers at premium, and is reserving 9 out of 10 of them for the mining community first. These units will not be sold at MSRP. Our cost to obtain these units will be higher. But as a way to make this right, we are offering a discount against our business pricing and expedited shipping for in-stock units from other manufacturers. Please note that as we receive inventory of the non-Rak miners, detailed emails with the first available options will be sent in batches, starting with the Turtle batch later this week. All following batches will be emailed within 60 to 90 days. These options will only be provided to customers who select continue to wait for my order. So, this is a call to action. There is action required. Let's scroll this down. Action required. Please fill out the form via the link below within 30 days, and they give you a hard deadline, and if you do not do the form within those time frame, you will have your order canceled and supposedly refunded to your original source of payment. The form will ask whether you would like to continue to wait for my order and be notified when new miners that can ship within a shorter window of time frame become available, or if you would like to go ahead and cancel your order and receive a full refund at this time. And then they give us a link to go to it, and it says, "We will be in touch shortly. With respect and appreciation, CalChip." Let's check this out. And the form goes to their official site, calchipconnect.com. Rak options. If you're currently in our Rak Hotspot Miner backlog of unfulfilled orders and are in the Turtle batch or later, please fill out this form. You will put in your first name, your last name, the email from which you purchased the Rak Miner, and your order number. And then you have 2 radio buttons where you either click continue to wait for my order and be notified when new miners that can ship within a shorter window of time become available, and we will be rolling these out batch by batch, or you can go ahead and receive your full refund. So this is pretty interesting. Basically, they're telling you, hey, there's no way you're going to get it in 2021, but we're hoping to get it to you by 2022, and we're also going to be getting hotspot miners from other companies, and we'll sell them at a premium, but you'll get a discount off of that premium, so we'll offer them to you. So we'll see what actually happens with these orders. I'm gonna wait it out because at this point it's already been cashed in money for me. I've already written it off. When I get it, I get it. If I get it, I get it. Whereas with like SP North America, I have a feeling I will never see that, and those may never see the light of day. I bought those because Voss was showing them off and they looked good, they looked lucrative, they looked profitable. I ordered all of these back in April. I've ordered a Nebra, I've ordered a CalChip Rak 2, and I've ordered an SP North American one, and I've received 0. So that's pretty exciting. So I just wanted to make you guys aware that this is a thing, that you only have 30 days to go to your original email source, wherever you did your original order, and either go ahead and click to receive a full refund or to click to continue to wait it out. If you don't click to continue to wait it out, supposedly you're going to go ahead and get your refund. So okay, I went ahead and put in my name, my email, and my order number, and then I hit continue to wait for my order to be notified when new miners can ship, and then it pops up another question. Interested in priority access to the Freedom Fi low raw WAN and 5G ready miner paid waitlist for $99? And I put no. So I hit submit, and then it says thank you for the response. Somebody from CalChip Connect support team will be in touch shortly. So let's see how this goes. Well, there you have it, the CalChip Rak 2 Helium Hotspot Miner update. Ooh, so many questions unanswered. Are we ever going to get any of these Helium Hotspot miners? Are they already mining on these? Are they really not able to get these supplies? Are any of these companies just going to do a cut and run? I'm looking at you, Syncrobit. I don't think you're ever going to deliver. I still haven't got my one from Nebra or Nebra. I still haven't got my Rak 2 hotspot miner. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe for future content. Thanks for coming along, and enjoy the ride.